Welcome to the Northwest Corridor Project. Georgia's Northwest Corridor has a large growing population, and it is home to some of the region's most important employment and activity centers. It is also one of the Atlanta region's most congested travel corridors. Unless improvements are made soon, congestion is likely to increase, with a further loss in mobility for corridor residents and employees. The Northwest Corridor Project will address significant transportation issues in this important area. It will provide additional transportation choices, improve mobility between activity centers, and improve travel time reliability, while avoiding or minimizing adverse environmental impacts. 2 managed lanes are proposed on I-75 between I-285 and I-575. 1 managed lane is proposed on both I-75 and I-575 north to Hickory Grove Road and Sixes Road in Cherokee County, respectively. This will result in increased use of van pools and transit buses within the Northwest Corridor, which will reduce both travel time and vehicle emissions. Managed lanes will allow eligible vehicles to use the lanes efficiently while providing revenue for system operations. While this type of system is new to Georgia, similar managed lane systems are currently in use in Houston, Los Angeles, Minneapolis, and Seattle. The managed lanes and ramps will operate in the southbound direction in the morning peak period and in the northbound direction for the remainder of the day. The managed lanes and ramps will be closed for a period during the day and at night during non-peak commuting times for lane clearing, establishing the reverse operation direction, and maintenance. Access points to managed lanes will be available on I-75 at I-285, Terrell Mill Road, Roswell Road, I-575, Big Shanty Road, and Hickory Grove Road. Slip ramps on I-575 provide access between managed lanes and general purpose lanes. 3 southbound slip ramps and 3 northbound slip ramps will be available. The south end of the new I-75 Managed Lanes project intersects with I-285. Northbound vehicles on I-75 in the evening commute will enter the managed lane system via a flyover ramp located in the median of I-75 south of Windy Hill Road. Vehicles on I-285 will have access to the managed lane system from east and west of I-75. In the future, travelers in the managed lanes may have the opportunity to continue east or west on I-285 in a managed lane system without entering the general purpose lanes. Windy Hill Road, slightly north of the I-285 interchange, is the first exit and entrance to the general purpose lanes on I-75. An elevated section of the managed lanes carries traffic over Windy Hill Road, leaving I-75 and Windy Hill Road traffic uninterrupted. Access to and from Roswell Road will adjust with managed lane traffic flow for maximum efficiency during peak commute times. In the morning, traffic can enter the managed lanes to join traffic moving south or exit from the southbound managed lanes to access Roswell Road. In the evening, traffic can enter the managed lanes to join traffic moving north or exit the northbound managed lanes to access Roswell Road. The same ramp that provides entry in the morning provides exit in the evening. At the I-75 I-575 interchange on the north end of the managed lanes, northbound evening commuters in the managed lanes can continue north on either I-75 or I-575 without interruption. Similarly, southbound morning commuters in the managed lanes on I-575 can merge into the I-75 managed lanes. The new lanes continue to the south in the median of I-75 for a short distance before flying over to the west side of the I-75 right-of-way. Access to and from the managed lane system on I-575 is accomplished using slip ramps, which allow commuters to transition into and out of the managed lane system at freeway speeds. The southbound slip ramps will allow entry into the managed lane system from the general purpose lanes in the morning, while the northbound slip ramps will allow exit from the managed lane system in the evening and the use of existing general purpose interchanges for intermediate destinations. Disruption to the existing traffic on I-75 and I-575 will be minimal since the majority of the work will be either on the west side of I-75 or in the median north of the I-75, I-575 interchange. It is expected that area residents, businesses, and commuters will be enjoying the many benefits of this project starting in just 3 to 4 years. For more information on this project, please visit www.nwcproject.com.